Quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que
Good morning! So today I am leaving on about a month-long trip. Today is the 21st of July and I don't come back here until the 17th of August, so I'm staying later to the house. And the first trip that we're going to do today is from the Hague Central to Brussels North station in a bus. I have to catch it in about 30 minutes, so we're heading off. My parents are taking me, luckily. But this is the start of a new adventure, so let's go! Okay, so I've gotten off the bus in Brussels. I've walked a little bit. I have about 4 hours to kill here before I have to take a train to the station. And so in the meantime, I have found a little food kind of market that has different stands and everything. And I have gotten a pita bread with a feta pesto and sun-dried tomatoes with halloumi, and then a rosé beer. So let's give them a go. Yeah, this place is really cute.
quieres algo más, es que él no tiene actitud, no tiene esa virtud. No, 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 y es que se te da elegir gente como él, no como yo pa' serte fiel. Yo soy sincero. Cuando él no contestaba, baby, acuérdate que en esos días fríos te serví de abrigo. Me mataste por dentro tú diciéndome mejor amigo, mejor amigo. Cuando él no contestaba, baby, acuérdate que yo sé que tus lágrimas lloré contigo. Me mataste por dentro tú diciéndome mejor
You know the way, right? Yes, I do. Good morning! Welcome to the streets of Barcelona. So last night, Eduarda arrived around 11ish, something like that, and we headed out on a mission to find food, which was a lot harder than anticipated. But we made it to the hostel, we had a good night's sleep, we found some food in a very local place called Level, and they made us food. It was already like, what, 12:15 by the time that we ordered food? I'm not even in this. But yeah, so we're here. Okay. We're heading out. We had a lazy morning today, just getting all our stuff organized, making a bit of a plan. And now we're heading out to try and find one of the best tortilla places in Barcelona to eat a classic Spanish tortilla for lunch. You looking at the chocolate? Cheers. So, the tortilla is apparently quite famous in this place. So we've got a classic tortilla, and then we've got a smoked salmon and avocado tartare to go with a little pisco sour. Give it a go.
I'm sorry, food is more important at the moment.
This lady has tinto de verano, which is juice.
Yes, it is juice.
The equivalent of juice, eh?
Y con tus labios rosados yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento nadie más lo podrá saber. Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti, dulzura. ¿Qué pasó entre yo? Solo cuéntate. Y si tú quieres te pone a buscar como tú lo mueves a pam pam, haciendo locura en la mañana. Si alguien te pregunta no ha pasado nada, solo amaneciste en mi cama. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame, hagamos jueguitos que de chiquita. Baila, baila.
You pay for so much for very expensive sandals, and that's how you end the night, walking barefoot in the streets. You need to drink more sangria for that.
afternoon, guys. So today the plan has been, we were already out and about for a little bit. We went to a bakery for breakfast, as you saw, and now we are at the Central Market having some Gracias. Just got our sangrias. Cheers. Ooh. Vermouth. There's a lot of vermouth in that one. Yeah, so we are going around the market a little bit. Right now we are at El Bar Central, which is very famous for its tapas and everything. We ordered a bunch of different tapas. We're gonna eat those, and then at 3 o'clock, which is in about 45 minutes, we have a free walking tour of Barcelona booked. Always up for the walking tours. It's always the way to go. So let's enjoy some tapas in the meantime. So we have some anchovies with vinegar and olives. We have some patatas bravas, some small calamari fried, and then some pan con tomate, which is classic, and our sangrias. Yeah.
You can see how they dress, how they went out and about, and what they did basically during their day. Okay, here's more here. As you might see here, we have a pine, okay? Any questions, of course, be my guest.
Fly, okay? He's gonna fly. Ooh, with these guys, okay? See.
Melon with ham sandwich, a burrata, and what a view of the Sagrada, eh? What a better dinner. Okay. Good morning, well, early afternoon. So yesterday, as you saw, we had an amazing time on our walking tour. It was very warm, but it was very fun, and it went by really quickly. And then after that we came back, we relaxed a little bit at the hostel and headed out to the Sagrada Familia, where we had dinner, and it was so nice. The lady who owned the restaurant, she was about to close in about 10 minutes, but she was like, it's fine, we can make you food, don't worry. And the waiter was really nice, so we had a lovely time and walked around a wee bit, came back to the hotel, had some cava, and then went to bed. And this morning we are off. Well, first, I saw a place that was selling really good baked goods next to the market, next to the Rambla. So we're heading back there for a quick brekkie, and then ironically an hour later we have a lunch booked We booked a paella place because we've been craving paella since we've been here, and we have to taste it when we're here, of course. And we managed to book it through the Fork for a €35 menu with a starter, a bottle of wine, I think, or a glass of wine, and a paella and a dessert. So it's gonna be interesting, yeah. And then after that, we've packed our bags and we are heading to the beach for the afternoon. And then this evening, we're hoping to go up to the bunkers, maybe get a little picnic or something like that, and then go to the bunkers del Carmel in order to see the sunset over the city. And that'll be the full last day in Barcelona done.
Sé lo que quieren, verme abajo, pero no pueden, yeah, yeah. Nunca confunde el amor, la plata y las mujeres, vicio los fajos, y los placeres, yeah, por eso estoy bien blanca como Axe, para los airbags. Es que para ti no hay, si no eres de aquí no te quieren nada, pero cuando entono los Tony Dax, me luces bien lunar. No te quedan a ti, son wannabe, lo quería decir muy real G. Yeah, vamos creciendo, todos quieren lo que vendo. Tú eres un juego y te lo gano Nintendo. Sube de rango y tú besando el asfalto. Es que lloras tanto que te hundí en el fango. Ya no va, si no di, no se da, no se da.
We have our leftover paella from lunch with the black rice. This does not look appetizing, but it very much is. Some ham, chips, cheese, sliders, and meat. And what a view, baby! Para los airbags, es que pa' ti